at HH are one of the market leaders for medical and pharmaceutical conversion machines. This means we offer full turnkey solutions to manufacture medical products like wound dressings, pouches or pharmaceutical products as nicotine and pain relief patches. All these products are polymer and formulation based. Our clients require regulated and validated processes to manufacture such medical devices and APA-based products. Means we as a solution provider have to reflect these FDA needs for fully validated machines. Even for medical class 1 and 2 devices today, the FDA requires improved process and validation documentation. Means for pharmaceutical operations, auditors focus, for example, especially on IT and data compliance. As a consequence, our PMK converting machines turn more and more digital, for example, with databases for continuous improvements and data mining with visualization tools. We see track and trace of individual products for our digital and automated batch handling. All this needs and requires the correct testing methods to deliver needed confidence and documentation. Yes, production does benefit from these improvements in data. It can lead to a new level of process optimization and efficiency increase by continuous improvement with ongoing root causing and analyzing. Finally, we all want a safe and reliable production with good quality customer products. Machines are getting more and more multi-format flexible with higher speeds and outputs, as well future-proof capabilities. As well, this can lead to a great opportunity for vertical integration of additional functions and processes for higher efficiency. Yes, a typical example would be we integrate liquid dosing with continuous web processing, or we add special printing styles on our PMKs for next new generation sexy product concepts and giving our clients a competitive advantage.